Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Amazon default address. So this is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say you've moved locations and you need to actually go ahead and change your Amazon default address. So be sure to stick around just because this video is going to be short and sweet, and let's get started. So what we're first going to do is hop onto the Amazon app and do make sure that it's up to date so that your visuals look the same as mine. But let's click on it and open it up. Now once you open it up, you're going to reach the Amazon homepage that looks like this here. On the bottom left hand side, you want to go ahead and click on this icon that looks like an individual. It's next to the shopping cart, and then from here what you're going to click on next is you're going to click on your account. Now once you're on this page here, you want to go ahead and scroll down to where it says your addresses. So click on your addresses, and then once you're here you have a few options. You could either add a new address and then set that as your default, or you could actually go ahead and edit an existing address and then set that as your default. What I'm going to do is I'm actually just going to go ahead and edit a current address. So let's go ahead and click on edit on this blurred out address here. And then once you're on this page here, you want to go ahead and scroll down. Now once you actually go ahead and scroll down, you're going to see this option that says make this my default address. You want to go ahead and check that box in order to make this address, as an example, my default address. So this is the best and easiest way that I know to actually go ahead and change your address, your default address on Amazon. If you know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next